journey starts today. Step inside the world of tech. Come and play. Networking basics, learn how it flows. LAN and WAN, see how data goes. IP addresses, OSI layers too. Start your journey, the path is new. Introduction to cybersecurity. Protect your data, stay strong, stay free. Learn the threats, keep your systems tight. Step by step, you'll get it right. Your opportunity begins here. Learn for free, no fear, no fear. Python, data, AI, cloud insight. Your tech journey starts tonight. Your opportunity begins here. Grow your skills, your future's clear. Packet Tracer Labs, hands-on delight. Step by step, reach your height. Essentials, code and play. From basics to projects, learn every day. Data analytics, see what numbers show. Learn, practice, and watch your skills grow. Getting started with Cisco tools. Packet Tracer Labs, no need for rules. Certificates earned, add them to your name. Your career in tech will never be the same. Free courses now, advance next. CCNA, CyberOps, pass the test. AI, cloud programming, cyber defense. Every skill you learn makes sense. Your opportunity begins here. Learn for free, no fear, no fear. Python, data, AI, cloud insight. Your tech journey starts tonight. Your opportunity begins here. Grow your skills, your future's clear. Packet Tracer Labs, hands-on delight. Step by step, reach your height. From beginner to certified, your journey begins.